Are you planning to build a house? Here are the few steps you might follow. Set a budget. The first step in any home construction project is to establish a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on the project and stick to it. Be sure to include all the costs associated with the project, including materials, labor, and permits. Choose a reliable contractor. Selecting the right contractor is essential for the successful home construction project. Look for someone who is licensed, experienced, and has a good reputation. Ask for references and check them before hiring. Determine your needs. Before beginning the construction process, take some time to assess your needs. Consider your lifestyle, family size, and future plan to determine what features you want in your new home. Plan for energy efficiency. Building an energy efficient home can save your money on utilities in the long run. Consider features such as insulation, high efficiency HVAC system, and energy efficient appliances. Plan for natural light. Natural light can make a home feel more spacious and inviting. Consider adding skylights or larger windows to bring in as much natural light as possible. Plan for storage. Adequate storage space is essential for any home. Plan for ample closet space, cabinets, and shelving to ensure you have enough storage space for your needs. Choose durable materials. When selecting materials for your home, choose those that are durable and low maintenance. This will save your money on repairs and maintenance in the long run. Consider the resale value. Even if you don't plan to sell your home anytime soon, it is always a good idea to consider the resale value. Choose features and finishes that are likely to appeal to future buyers. Plan for the future. Finally, consider your future needs when planning your home. If you plan to live in the home for many years, consider features such as a main floor master suite, a home office, or a basement that can be finished in the future. For more information, follow Architeca Design Build to Fame. Bye bye.